Guys, I'm MJ. I'm back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make stuffed onions. First, we'll make the stuffing. You have to cut the onions. Take the outer layer and cut it inside nicely and make a hole like this. I'm using some tomato, some grated carrot, and the cut out onion pieces from the inside, some cabbages and cabbage sheets. We are going to be keeping inside like this and putting the stuffing. Now let's get on with it. First we'll make the stuffing on this. Put this on top. Increase to full speed so that you get the flame. Pour some oil. Now you can check like this. If the heat is coming, go on and add your jeera. Just a pinch, not too much. Stir it a little bit. You can see that the jeera is starting to bubble up. That means it's ready to go. Now you can add the garlic. I'm using 2 to 3 cloves. Now add the onions. Saute it nicely. Now add the carrots. Again nicely saute. Add some salt and mix it nicely. Now add some chili powder. Just saute it. Now after adding tomatoes and the small chopped pieces of cabbage, we'll add the other spices. I am making this stuffing a little bit Indian style. Saute it nicely. Now you are going to add some coriander powder. Now, a pinch of cinnamon. If you add too much cinnamon, it will be cinnamony. Some garam masala. Always in Indian cooking, we use chili powder, coriander powder, cinnamon powder, garam masala and stuff. We also use bay leaves, but bay leaf we use mostly only for gravy. Nicely saute it. Let it cook for 1 minute. Hey guys, now this has cooked. I have added a little bit of mayonnaise for creaminess, and I have also added some coriander. Now we'll keep this aside. Let's on this again. Keep it. Add a bit of oil. Spread it nicely. Now we are going to take the onions. Rub it in the oil and keep it on top. Now let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hey guys, now the onions have cooked. You have to flip the onions in between again and again so that it gets cooked nicely, you can remove it in just 10 minutes also. Now the cabbage, that cabbage slices, I have put in the same oil in which the onion has gotten cooked. Just keep it for 1 minute. Hey guys, now I have cooked the onion. You can remove it in 10 minutes. You have to flip the onion in between again and again so that it gets nicely cooked. See, the onion is squishy. Now, in the same oil I have sauteed the cabbages a little bit. Now first take the cabbage piece, keep it on top of the onion, press it in. Because the bottom will be open, right? It's a little bit hot, I'm using a spoon. Now after you have pressed it, take the stuffing, put it in. Just a nice handful of stuffing. Now, take some chili flakes, sprinkle it on top. Now for the final touches, we are going to be adding a bit of cheese. Just a bit on top. Now we are going to keep a big